How to add a device in Amazon Prime Video account. So if you want to add device in Amazon Prime Video account, then what you need to do is first open up your Amazon application and then go with your profile, which will be here on the bottom. Tap on it. Now again, you need to tap on the account section, which is on the top. First, you need to make sure that you're logged in with the same account that your Prime Video is. Now once you're here, you need to scroll down and under your account settings, go with the drop down, which will be on the right side. And you should see an option called Manage Your Amazon Family. Once you find that option, you need to tap on it and you'll see an option of members. You can tap on plus, which will be on the right side. You'll be able to add a new member. You'll have the option of adult, teen, or child. Or you can also create a profile if you want to. If you want to create a profile within your account, just select it and that person can use your account. If you want to create a separate account, you can give that account to the person and they can add it to their device. You need to enter their name, their email address, or you can also invite them. You can type in their name, go with continue, and they will receive the email notification. And it's that simple. That's how you can add a device in Amazon Prime Video account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.